Hey everybody. So I started without videoing because my grandson called, so that was of course way more important. This is the one I did earlier. This was a flip cup where you drag it across already painted board. And I think once it dries it'll be even neater looking. It's probably one of my favorite ones. The others I'm just going to paint over. But this by far is probably my favorite. This is the new one I'm working on. I'm trying to let all the paint drip down in the cup, and then you just let it float across the surface, and it's been sitting long enough that I'm just gonna start dragging it. Just little by little, you just want to float. You don't want to let all your paint out. Just go wherever you want to go with it and pop it out. Figure out where you're going to put your garbage, and then just let it sit, let it develop, and then start swirling the canvas around until you get the designs that you want. And the bronze that's in there is actually muted looking because it's not dry. So tomorrow, once that bronze dries, it should look pretty spectacular. So once I tip it, I'll send some more pictures and see what you think. Alrighty.